This is Robert McKenzie, Media Liaison Officer at KZN EMS. This is the river and the canal just south of Umlazi, south of Durban. The canal has broken its banks south of Umlazi. It's washed the road away in front there. It's washed the bridge away here. Down there is towards the old airport down there. As you can see, total destruction here. It's alleged people were actually sitting in the one vehicle that's facing straight there, and this bank actually collapsed whilst people were in it. Fortunately, they sustained minor injuries, and as you can see, multiple other structures have also been damaged in and around.
The M4, the steel bridge, river.
Bogantweeny River going through the Toti Golf Course.